Hello, this is Chris King, and today we're going to talk about the present continuous. Okay, the present continuous future, going to, and will, which can be used for the future. Okay, what are we doing now? We're studying English now. Okay, but if we want to make that into the future, the present continuous future, you need a time word or a prepositional phrase that describes the time. We are studying English on Friday. Alright, so now you have the future. Alright, let's look at that in more detail. Alright, the present continuous and future tenses. Talking in the present and future. Okay, here's the basic construction of the present continuous. You have the verb to be and all the subjects of the verb to be. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, they are. Okay, I use the verb play, and now it becomes playing. Verb-ing, playing. I am playing, you are playing, etc. Now, here is the contraction. Right? In English, we like to contract. I'm playing, you're playing, he's playing. To form the negative, we put not. I'm not playing, you're not playing, he's not playing. Now, notice this. To form a question, we invert the verb to be. So now, am I playing? Are you playing? Is he playing? Are we playing? What is the present continuous? This tense describes what is happening now or in the future. But remember this example? We are studying English. What are we doing now? We are studying English. Okay, so if I leave it like that, it's describing now. The future. How do we make the future tense with the present continuous? It depends on the preposition of time or time words. So that same example, we are studying English next week. Now it's in the future. Okay, I have a chart here with the different ways to describe the future. Alright, the present continuous and going to plus base verb are very similar. They're for plans and arrangements. For plans, basically. What is a plan? A plan is like a doctor's appointment, a vacation, anything you plan in your head or what you write in a calendar. Okay, so a doctor's appointment. I'm visiting my doctor on Friday. I am visiting my doctor on Friday. Now, with going to, I can say that as well. I'm going to go to my doctor's appointment. Now, notice that I don't need a preposition of time with going to. It's automatic future. Present continuous, I need to say on Friday or some other time word. Now, there's one thing that you can't do with the present continuous. It's not for predictions. For example, the weather is always a prediction. You cannot say, it's raining tomorrow. It's raining tomorrow. You cannot say that. Okay? Going to, you can discuss you can make predictions. You can discuss the weather in the future. For example, it's going to rain. It's okay. It's going to rain. but the present continuous you cannot. Okay, so many of my students feel that going to or will are safer, okay, and easier to use, because then you don't have to worry about this conflict. But it's going to plus base verb. You can say I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. It's not base verb. I'm going to the store on Friday, or I'm going to the store, which means now. Now, so that would be just normal present continuous. Going to plus base verb is automatic future. I know going to looks like the present continuous over here, but it's not. It does have the verb to be, going to, but if you have the base verb there, then it's the future. Will and won't. Again, will is an automatic future, but we tend to use it for promises, which makes it stronger. Another thing is that it's for quick decisions. No planning. Let's say I'm going to get a pizza, and in my head I've planned on a pepperoni pizza. I go to the pizzeria and I tell them I'm going to have a pepperoni pizza, and they tell me, whoops, we don't have any more pepperoni. Then I can say, well, I'll have a cheese pizza. Okay. The question form, sometimes we use shall. Okay, shall we go to the mall? Will we go to the mall? You can say that, but shall is more of a suggestion. Okay. Again, will tends to be stronger than these other forms. So you can use will for predictions. It will rain. They will win. But generally, we won't use them for plans. But you can if you're. But it would be more of a promise. If you look at this is a calendar. These are plans. These are appointments. Okay. I'm going to have a lesson. I'm going to have a lesson with Cinzia on Wednesday. Okay. I'm teaching Cinzia on Wednesday. Erica and Andrea, I am teaching them on Thursday. Now, let's say someone's calling for an appointment, or let's say I don't know what's happening here. I probably would use will. Maybe I will get an ice cream. Maybe I will play football. Okay, those are possibilities, and I don't know. They're unplanned. Okay, you can say I will teach Cinzia on Wednesday, but that's tends to be stronger. It's more of a promise, and you can do that. It's perfectly fine. Okay, but generally we won't use it for plans. We use it for other things like promises and quick decisions. Okay, thank you for subscribing to this video. If you have any questions, again, please comment on the video. I'm going to make more talking about the future tenses and other subjects. So again, thank you, and please comment.